Hey everybody, how's it going? Monica McGann here. So I'm going to do a product review for y'all, and so far I am completely impressed with this athleisure wear and their clothing line. So they have athleisure wear, which is sports bras and leggings, and they also have just everyday clothes, which I'm wearing right now, one of the sweatshirts. I did a product review on this one once before. This is the Slouch sweatshirt, but this sports bra is adorable. It holds you up, it gives you nice support, and never in my life would I thought I could wear a crisscross bra ever again. So those of you who haven't followed me very long, I have a broken neck and I have hardware from C2 to C7. So there's a lot going on in the neck area. And then I have in this nerve, I have 3 shards of bone still stuck that float in the nerve. So most bras, it's a no-go. Like, it hurts so bad to wear bras. Most of the time, I rip them off within 2 to 3 hours. Like, if I have to wear them longer than that, I am dying. But this I wore for a long time. But anyways, I just wanted to share this with you. This is the X3 Femme, okay? So if you go on a link that I'll put in the comments, then you can check it out. It does have padding, and I'll show you that right there. It's on the side, so it's not like on the top where some of them are. And this bra puts all of the support on your back so the straps don't dig into you. Let me hold it up so you can see better. So right here, the way they've sewed it and the way they've created it, it seriously takes all of the pressure around where a bra is supposed to, not digging into your shoulders. So this is an extra large, which I probably should have gotten a large, and I was just worried because most of the time I have to size up because of the whole nerve issue. But this one is an extra large, and I probably should size down. I'm a 34C cup. So if you're my size, then probably get a large and not an extra large. But again, it's your comfort level. It is 80% nylon, 87% nylon, and 13% spandex. It is machine wash, but you want to hang it dry. So don't throw it in the dryer, but wash it just, let's see, cold water. So wash, cold water, hang dry. So it also dries really fast. I just did this in the load, and probably it's only hung for about an hour and a half, and it's dry. So if you want to swim in it, you know, get it wet or whatever, you know it's going to dry fast. So this is the, oh shoot, it doesn't say the color. I think this is called the royal blue. It doesn't really look royal blue though. To me it looks more like navy, but I love it because I have leggings that match. But I'm going to unbox this one for you. This is it's the same one, X3 Femme. I'm trying to find the color. This is so funny. I think this one is called Bone. I'm so sorry. We'll have to figure it out. But it's the same bra, and I got, so this one is a large. So I haven't actually worn this one yet because I just got it. But when I do, I'll review it. So I just wanted to pop on here and tell you about this particular bra. It has the Savvy logo, but it's not very noticeable at all. Lots of people wear these running, doing yoga. I just kind of started doing yoga, so I'm beginner level yoga. I don't have a problem. They don't roll up, or they don't, you know, like I said, they don't hurt you on the arms or in the neck. I really do recommend these bras for every shape and size. They're just an amazing bra. So this is just a different color, and I'll hold them up, both up. So you know what? I'll hold them up so you can see the difference between the large and the extra large. Again, my normal bra size is a 34C. So, oops, trying to line them up. So there's the, I'm so sorry. Hold on, I'm getting there. I'm trying to hold it up so you get the right, there we go. So there's the difference. You have a little bit on each side. The extra large, you know, kind of goes out a little bit more in the waistband. The cup is the same because I'm a C cup and this is made for a C cup. So yeah, that is the X3 Femme Bra by Savvy. Again, this is the lighter colored one, and then the royal blue, which to me is navy blue. I don't call that royal blue, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful blue. It matches everything. Has like a purple undertone, so it will match different colors. And that is the thing nowadays, is to mix and match. You don't have to have a full set, right? So this is the large, and this is the extra large. So just to recap, I did an extra large because I was worried about my neck hurting with the bra. So this I wore for a good probably 6 hours. This one I haven't tried yet in the large, but I will let you know. So anyways, y'all have a good day, night, wherever you are in the world. I do have a coupon code, and I have like 2 left. So if you want a coupon code, just get a hold of me. You can write coupon down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I need the thumbs up. YouTube likes to see that. So if you could help me out, that'd be amazing. Anyways,